Hi guys, we're on a little vacation and we're staying in this tiny house behind me. It is so cute. So I was just going to show you how we're going to cook carnivore and eat carnivore and keto while we're on vacation. I'm with my husband and he's going to cook his keto stuff and I'm going to eat my carnivore stuff. So I'll be showing you that while we are on this little trip. Okay, so here's the kitchen. I have my magic bullet here, my ghee, my coffee, my salt, gotta have that. And there's a little sink and the 2-burner stove. There's the bathroom. And then up these stairs is the bed. So you just go up here and it's a bed. There's a little fan there. Window in the bathroom. It's got a little door, see, and this is a closet here, so I put my clothes in here. And then here's the bathroom. So it's not that small. So here's the shower. It's a window and it's nice in there. And then I have my stuff hanging over there. And it has this little tiny mirror and this little sink. It's so cute. What are you making?
Tomato and mozzarella. I didn't buy any basil because it didn't look good. I got some cilantro. I love cilantro, so.
What are you gonna put on it?
Salt and pepper and olive oil.
And what about?
That's the shrimp. It goes on the side of it.
We're done. Here's the salad all done. Looks so pretty. I'll probably just eat the cheese out of that. Now we're cooking some shrimp. It has they were cooking it in ghee. Here's the ghee. And has some cilantro and some lemon essential oil. We don't have a lot of spices, so we're just making do. Pretty tasty. Okay, now I'm making some egg salad. I just boiled some eggs. I have some olive oil and I put mustard and I'm putting some real salt. And I'm just going to mix it up. This is more of a keto recipe. I don't really eat olive oil normally. But you don't have to have mayonnaise. This works just as good. Okay, so I just mixed it up and now it's all ready. And I'll just have this around for my husband if he gets hungry. You can put it on like a flacker, like a flex cracker. And it's not for me, it's more for him. So yummy keto recipe. Okay, so now I'm cooking some chicken for my husband. I'm gonna stir it up here and I'll put some herbs. This is some more of a keto option. I don't really eat herbs that much. They kind of give me heartburn. You just want to saute that up. I got some olive oil in there. Easy to cook here in the tiny house. It is all cooked up. So yummy. Chicken thighs are where it's at, and they're cheaper. Great idea. Okay, so I'm going to show you my fridge now. And it's pretty small, so you can see here. But it's big enough. It's plenty big, but it's smaller than a regular fridge for a regular house, for sure. So pastrami, that's I'll probably eat that later. This is some brisket we had last night. Gotta heat that up. Mustard. I have some blackberries. I got these for my husband. They have about 10 carbs each, so kind of low carb, but not. I made some egg salad, as I showed you yesterday. Then I have, this is some plain yogurt with the cream on the top. And we have these drinks, water, herbs, and then we have these pasture-raised eggs. And I have some chicken down here, chicken thighs. And then I have some more ground beef. Pretty good, guys. So I'm cooking in my tiny house. It's really fun. I'll turn it around here in a sec and I'll show you. So I'm making some organic burgers. I got some stuff from Trader Joe's and I'm just gonna cook those burgers up for lunch. It's really easy. So I've got my burgers here and this is the 8515. This is the tiny stove. See, I've got a little bit of real salt here, so put some salt. This is my favorite salt. You can find it down below. Also if you don't have grass-fed beef where you live, you can find it in the description, some of my favorite mail order. This is from Trader Joe's. Really easy to find. And then I might put some ghee in there too. I got some ghee at Trader Joe's. This is not grass-fed, but it's the best I could find in my travels. It's really easy to cook. So I have my spatula here. This is what's provided by the Airbnb. I don't really like this kind of pan, but whatever. I'm just trying to make the best of it. Yum. Back to my burgers. They're looking pretty tasty. I flipped them over. Put some more salt, and I can't wait to eat. Here they are already. I'm so excited to eat. Whenever you cook ground beef, just make sure to cook it. Try to cook it a little bit underdone, and then it won't be so dry. Here's another snack. I got some oysters and some spicy mustard. Yum. Get your zinc. I'm heating up some of the brisket we had last night. So excited about this. Nothing like leftovers. It's so easy to heat up. I didn't want to use a microwave because it makes it kind of rubbery, so I'm just using this pan again. Yum, I can't wait to eat this. Fatty brisket, and look at this crispy edges. I'm so excited. How's the pool?
Not too bad.
Good morning. I'm making my ghee and eggs. I have the butter here, clarified butter, and then pasture-raised eggs from Trader Joe's. Just gonna be putting them in here. Gotta get your pan hot first. This is my easy breakfast in my tiny house. Yum. One got a little broken, but oh well. Gotta put some salt on it. This is my favorite salt. At this point, you can either flip them or you can put a lid and just cook it for another minute and then you don't have to flip it. So I don't have a lid, but make it easier to flip. You can kind of cut it a little away from the yolks and then flip it like one at a time. Okay, now you just slide it onto the plate. Once you flip it, don't leave it long because it doesn't need to harden up much. I like them over easy, not over hard. Okay, so now I'm making my coffee. Just pour this into the French press. Then you put the lid on and you just wait. So this is how you make coffee in a tiny house. Everything is small. And I don't have a kettle, just a pot. I'm gonna put my ghee in there and I'm gonna make a butter coffee. Now you just push it down after it steeps a couple minutes. And then you pour it into the magic bullet. Then you add the ghee. Now I'm making an omelet. I already flipped it. I'll put the cheese on. This is for my husband's pepper jack, organic pepper jack. Looks good. Now you just fold it over. Hopefully you can. Maybe not. Okay, let's try again. Yum. Okay, I got this Neiman Ranch really yummy pastrami for lunch. Excited. There's more, but I ate it already. Today I made eggs, scrambled eggs, my salts, and these are the eggs I had. They're pretty good. Very yellow yolks. So see how yellow they are? Anyway, that's breakfast. This is for me and my husband. I might throw some cheese on his, but you get the idea. I hope you enjoyed this video about carnivore cooking in a tiny house. It has been really fun staying here and really easy to stay on track with my carnivore diet. I hope you have enjoyed watching me cook and seeing the tiny house. If you have questions about how to get started on carnivore, there is meal plans and guides in my description box below. Just look down there. If you want to save $40 off your first Airbnb stay, just use my link below. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.